Hey everyone, it's Amazing Puzzles here, back with a puzzle video. This is probably one of the best deals. I got this one completely free. This was supposed to be $6, but I got it for $3, which I thought it was $6, but it's actually $3. I'm going to make a video about these and these, but this is a 1,000 piece one. It was supposed to be $5. I went up to the counter and pulled out my cash. Well, I pulled out my $5, and she said it was free. I'm like, are you sure on this? Which I think it may be used though. That's the thing. It may be used a bit. I see like tape on the sides, like there's tape everywhere. Which is, hopefully it's not missing any pieces now. This one with all of this is probably gonna be a good piece to do. It's fun. From Animal Planet. Where's it at? There it is. Animal Planet. And it's the size of it. There's all the other ones you can get. All of these other jigsaw puzzles. And I want that one right there. Has a bear, and that would be a big. That would be a big one. Even though it's a 1,000 piece, which I'm actually doing good. Just put that on the side over there. This one is one I got from GameStop. It's pretty cool, I think. It's in a bag, this is the whole thing right here. It's the whole 200 piece puzzle, and that one over there is a 1,000 piece, which I don't ever get. Like, these are usually $10, but which is free. It was used, which I understand it was $5, but I got it all free, which I'm excited about that. It's not a free 1,000 piece one, which I don't know if it's missing any puzzle pieces. I do open that when I get back home, and I'll start maybe this one. I'm not sure. It's the Mario one. There's it's like this is actually a great deal too, and it was on sale for $6, which I say for 200 pieces of that it's an alright price, but $3 for this is a bargain. It's good stuff. Super Mario. This outside. And this is 9 times times 11 inch or whatever. This, I bet this thing is massive. I haven't even checked how big it was. This is probably a new thing for me. I cannot find the inch size on here. Is that it? Sometimes it's very small. Written. Oh, here it is. This puzzle is age 13. Not there yet. Okay, what's this there? There's the inch. 26.75 inch times 19.25. And this is the inch on that. Pretty neat puzzle, gotta say. Pretty neat. I'm sorry it wasn't a puzzle thing, a puzzle review. Didn't make one today because I've been on vacation for a bit and I didn't have time to do a lot of jigsaw puzzles, but I did get 2 of them for great deals. That one right there was free, and that one was $3. So supposed to be $6, but she said it was 3, so I'm like, okay, it's fine. I post Tuesdays and Fridays, so I'm going to be posting Tuesdays and Fridays. Now everyone have a great day. Goodbye.